What was your first name again?
My name is Miguel from the Mobile Mechanic 757, working on a 2014 Kia Forte. Customer says vehicle would not start. What was your symptom, sir?
I was trying to start the car for a little while now. I had replaced the battery, and that still didn't get the job done, so I couldn't determine if it was my starter, alternator, or anything. And so that's when I gave you a call. I said, come help me figure it out, man.
Okay, so upon arrival, the gentleman put the battery terminals on. This battery terminal is bad, but I took a hammer and I hammered it down for diagnostic sake, and I got it nice and tight because this was bending up right here. This goes right here. It is a ground. He can go to AutoZone and get this whole entire piece for probably like $15–16 and do it himself. He will take out this 10mm bolt, pull this up, bolt the new one in here, put it back down, and he's good to go. Also, when he was trying to start the car, I knew it was a electrical problem, because when he tried to start the car went click, click, click. What was the starter? The starter was starving for power. So I came over here and I moved this one, and this one was moving, and this one was moving. This one was tightened up, and I had to hammer this one down. As you can see, this one was completely messed up. It wasn't by me, it's just falling apart. Let's see if my diagnostic was correct.
Yeah, and whenever I try to tighten that, when I was cranking it tight, that's what was bending it up. And on that last crank down, it just fully flopped over, and that made it real obvious. And I was like, oh my God. And so it was probably busted the whole time, and I just didn't realize.
$16, you can fix it yourself.
I'm so happy. Thank you so much for coming.
You're welcome. Let's see if it starts. If you like these videos, please like, subscribe, and share, and hit that like button. Thank you.
Do it.